Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a set inspired by this cup that I got over the weekend. I thought it was so cute and I just had to have it, but it's very Halloween and witchy vibes and I'm all about that. I saw this photo on Instagram and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous and I wanted it to be my background for the nail art that I'm going to be doing today. This polish is called Total Request Red from Gelish. It looks more pink in person, but anyways, I'm applying 2 coats of that and carrying it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I'm now taking this black from Gelish and I'm going to be taking a beauty sponge. I'm just going to dab this around the outsides of the nails and basically creating an oval shape and just leaving a little bit of the red or the pink in the center, so it's going to be circled around in the center. To get the pigment right, you do have to do it a couple of times and cure in between to actually get the pigment that you want. I eventually switched to a nail art gel instead of using polish because it was a little bit thicker and I only had to do 2 coats of that instead of 3. I do repeat this process on all of the nails, so I don't show it again after this part because we do nail art in this video. To really deepen up the areas around the cuticle and the sides and the tip of the nail, I'm just taking some of that nail polish and applying it at those areas. Now I'm just going to take a brush and gently bring it down or blend it downwards towards the middle, but I don't want to carry it over too much, just really want to make it look dark. Taking a few different colors of the nail art gel, I'm going to be creating that rose gold color. I don't have any polish that has that look to it, so I'm just going to make my own. Blending a few different colors to get it to the pigment that I want, and we're going to be using that for the majority of our nail art. After the nail cures in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, I'm now taking a velvet matte top coat and applying that on top and curing that. I did play with this a few times and I noticed that once I started doing nail art, if I messed up at all and went to go wipe it off, I took off some of the polish and some of the black. So you really want to make sure that that stays in place and you don't run into any of those issues. So just top coat it to be sure. For the thumb, I wanted to keep it minimal. I'm just adding a couple stars and I'm also going to be adding some bat stickers to make this nail cohesive with the rest of the set. For my index finger, I'm going to be writing out the word witch and then I'm going to be outlining it in black. This part was very tedious. It wasn't hard, but it is tedious because it is so small. And honestly, you just have to keep doing it over and over again until you get it right and just be very, very patient. moving on to my middle finger, I'm going to be drawing on the witch hat, and honestly I found this to be the easiest out of all the nail designs. However, it does have the most detail, but it is my favorite nail. After filling in the hat, I'm now taking some of that rose gold color and I'm going to be applying the dots. The rose gold is going to be the base, and then you're going to apply some white on the edges and towards the center to really make it pop, and then you're going to start to shade in the hat and around the dots to really make it come alive. Honestly, the more details you can put into something like this, the better, and the more realistic it's going to look. On my ring finger, I'm going to be writing the word classy, and on the cup it is in cursive, so we're going to do it in cursive. And then I'm going to outline that in black also. For my pinky, I'm going to be keeping it simple like the thumb and adding a couple stars and a couple bats, and then we're going to top coat that.
One, two, three, four.
After applying a matte top coat and curing that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, this is the finished look. I'm really happy with the way that these came out. I really love the pink and black background. I think it stands out and looks so pretty. Honestly, I probably could have just did that alone and been happy with it. I originally used shiny top coat, but after looking at it, it didn't really do the nail art justice, and the matte top coat just really brings all the details out and makes it look so much better than the glossy top coat. Here's the cup once again. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!